The reason we came to this town of Sucre was to go to this chocolate place, which is the oldest chocolate place in Spain or in the Cosmos or something. So we're hoping to do an hour tour of chocolate.
Hola! Belgica and England. In the century 19th, England was famous the chocolate around the world. From England. Okay? Europa no se cultiva. Inside,
it's very big.
This is cacao bean.
Amongst the rice fields of Albufera, we'll discover the mystery of chocolate making, following the techniques used by the Comas family.
Only profitables for them, not famous around the world. Cacao, flour, rice, brown sugar, every day with high, dark, milk difference. This is the mix inside for the tablet, finish with dried egg. This is the most traditional in this factory. The name is Bollet. Only made here. It's a chocolate typical in Valencia. The name is Bollet. Brown sugar, flour rice, cacao. Six. Morning or card?
Rice flour and vanilla round off the selection of products that make chocolate a delight to any palate. Let's begin the process then. First, we light a fire in the fireplace using very dry orange tree wood, which will give a special aroma to the roasting cocoa beans. When the embers reach their maximum temperature, we'll begin to roast the beans, which we have previously taken from the fruit of the cocoa tree, an equatorial plant similar to a melon with a rough, tough skin.
Forty cacao only. The best chocolate, 70%, 80%.
Antibióticos de cada auditorio. No. Todos los tres iguales.
This is one of the first Art Deco places in Spain. There's an Art Deco chick in front of me. This is from 1927. A couple years after I was born. The town hall. Another Valencia oranges. Because we're in Valencia.
This building was erected between 1912 and 1919 by Sueca-born architect Bonaventura Ferrando Castells. It housed the pantheon of the Baldi donor family and has always been at the headquarters of the town's nursing home, managed by the congregation of the Hermitatis Sisters of the Neglected Elderly. The complex is an example of the 20th century historic with modernist influences. The materials used are brick, stone, iron and ceramics. A pattern cross floor plan, a painted barrel vault in the central nave, and a ribbed vault in the transept. The building is known for its ornamental expressiveness created by the unique use of bricks.
Yeah, the Art